guys, it's Natasha, or you can call me Panda, whichever one you like. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I came up with this brown smoky eye look for Diwali glam, and I hope you guys like it. If you do like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. I make videos every single week. You can also follow me on my Instagram, that will be linked right here, or it will be linked in the description bar down below. I also want to wish all of you guys a very happy Diwali, and I hope you stay safe. I would also request if you guys could stay away from any kind of loud fireworks because that really annoys our animals. But yeah, I hope you guys have fun and take care.
I'm going to start off with moisturizer, and this is the Plum Mattifying Moisturizer, and I always use this moisturizer right before I do my base makeup. Next, I'm going to take this color corrector from LA Girl. It's in the shade Orange Corrector, and I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330 Toffee Caramel, and I'm going to use my PAC makeup sponge to blend it all out. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to add this to my eyelids as well as a base for my eyeshadow. And again, I'm going in with my PAC sponge and blending it all out. I'm going to take this Ben Nye Luxury powder in the shade Topaz and basically add this under my eyes first, and I'm going to set my whole face with this as well. To bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow from Miss Claire. For my eyebrows, I'm going to fill them in with this eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire. I fill them in and then I go in with my spoolie and blend it all out. I'm going to use this Nika K palette, and I'm going to start off with this flesh tone color. I'm going to keep adding a darker shade. Then going in with a light brown. And basically what I'm doing is first I'm patting it all over my lid and then I'm blending it out into the crease for like a blown out smoky look. Going in with the darkest brown, and I'm going to do the same. First I'm going to add it to my lid, then I'm going to buff it all into the crease. I use the same darkest brown on my lower lash line with an angled brush. For my inner corners, I just took this green eyeshadow from this LA Colors palette. Next, I'm going in with this LA Girl gel eyeliner in black, and I'm going to smoke it all out. I'm going to add that on my waterline. After curling my lashes, I'm going to add this Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline. And I'm just gonna pop some false lashes as well. This is the diamond blush from Blue Heaven. For highlight, I'm using my Revolution palette, same golden shade that I always use. It looks so pretty on my skin tone. Lastly, for my lips, I'm going to take this brown lip liner from Miss Claire. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this True Matte from Nika K New York, and it is in the shade Shiraz. And that is the final look.
Thank you for watching. Bye.